Hello students, how are you? Student, yesterday I explained fourth part of the lesson. Now today I am going to explain fifth part of it. Now listen. Now he felt her hand on his arm and was aware of the pleasure it gave him, even though they had been married years enough to have the two children. Students, the writer is saying that Sadao was delighted to feel Hana's hand on his arm. Even after even after having two children, after many years of marriage, both of them loved each other, for they had not married hastily in America. The writer is further saying that Dr. Sadao and Hana had not married in haste in America. They had finished their work at school and had come home to Japan, and when his father had seen her, the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way, although Sadao and Hana had talked everything over beforehand. Students, after completing their study in America, they returned to their home in Japan, and after that, Dr. Sadao's father saw Hana, and when he was sure that Hana belonged to his race, then their marriage had been arranged according to the old Japanese way. Although Dr. Sadao and Hana talked about everything over beforehand, they were perfectly happy. She laid her cheek against his arm, and both of them were perfectly happy. And after that, the writer is saying Hana laid her cheek against his arm. At first, she put her hand on Sadao's arm, and after that, she laid her cheek against his arm. It was at this moment that both of them saw something black come out of the mist, and at that moment both of them saw that a black figure emerged out of the mist. It was a man, and that figure, the figure which emerged out of the mist, was the figure of a man. But they were unable to see the face of that man clearly, because it was covered with the mist. He was flung up out of the ocean, flung, it seemed, to his feet by a breaker, and it seemed that he was thrown by a huge wave. He staggered a few steps, his body outlined against the mist, and after that he walked unsteadily, staggered. He walked a few steps unsteadily, and his body outlined against the mist, and the outline of his body was appeared, but he was not clearly appeared. Only outline of his body was appeared, because he was covered with the mist. His arms above his head, and when he appeared while surrounding by the mist, his arms were above his head. Then the cold mist hid him again. After that, he was again hidden completely in the mist. "Who is that?" Hana cried. After looking at that man, Hana cried who that man was. She dropped Sadao's arm, and they both leaned over the railing of the veranda, and after that Hana dropped Sadao's arm, and after that both of them leaned on the railing of the veranda. In order to see that man clearly. Now they saw him again. The man was on his hands and knees crawling. And after a few minutes, they again saw that man. When they saw that man again, then that man was crawling on his hands and knees. Then they saw him fall on his face and lie there. After that, they saw that the man was fallen on his face and lay there. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write the explanation, and I will explain the next part of the lesson tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.